Hey guys, thank you for joining us at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you why you're paying shop premium prices for professional installers to have electronic stuff installed in your vehicle correctly. So we have a case here of a customer, had someone install for him a roof mount DVD. As we can see, by the amount of holes that they put in the roof, they were trying to reinforce it with about 25 different screws. It did not work. Unfortunately, this actually fell down and hit one of the customer's kids in the head. And this is something that, it's when it's not done properly, it can not just not enjoy the system, it can actually be dangerous. This system, when it hits and falls at someone, it's very heavy and put you at risk. Now, when you do installation looking based on the lowest cost, this is what you expect to get. Someone that will do it on the lowest cost available. When you pay shop premiums, you can pretty sure know that the job is done properly and you don't have any risk to you or your family. At Car System Installation, we guarantee our labor for life. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.